Say hi.
Mommy.
Say hi. I'm eating a Wendy small chocolate classic frosty. Is it good?
Yeah.
You want to share with mommy? Why not?
I want to.
You don't want to share with mommy? You don't like sharing, huh?
No.
Come on, give me some.
No.
Mom. That's so good. Was it good? Are you Puss in Boots? What are you doing? You shake your baby, or what are you doing?
Say my buddy.
Shake your booty?
No. Say my buddy.
A what?
Say my buddy.
Your body. Like straw body? You like straw bodies? The body of the straw body.
No, I like the leaf and so body.
You like the leaves too? You like the roots of the straw bodies?
Yeah.
You like it all, huh? You like picking straw bodies?
The picking so body.
Tell me, who's your best friend?
Andrew.
Andrew. I never even heard who's that? The new guy?
That guy.
What about Thomas?
About Andrew.
Come on, eat your frosty, because I'm gonna get it.
My Andrew's my friend.
Andrew, Andrew is your friend.
Yeah.
And where is Andrew?
Also in the birthday party.
Birthday party.
Andrew's in the birthday party. Gotta get his present and his gift. The happy birthday, Andrew.
How about girlfriend? You have a girlfriend?
No, I have Andrew. I have boy Andrew's birthday party.
Okay, what about
Andrew. Andrew had birthday party in a Christmas tree.
Carson, what are you doing? You don't make much sense. You want some napkin or something?
Nope. I have one napkin.
Want to wipe your face?
No, thank you.
Please.
No, thank you.
Wipe your face.
No, thank you.
You have chocolate all over you. You look like a pig.
One napkin.
All right. So what about Kiara? Is she your friend?
No, Andrew's my friend.
I've never even heard that. Is this like an imaginary friend or something?
No, that's my Andrew's my friend.
Is your ghost friend?
No, my Andrew's my friend.
What about Kiara?
No, not Andrew.
Oh, you gonna get mad, huh?
No.
What about Alexis?
No.
Is your girlfriend?
No, the Andrew.
All right, Carson, how old are you?
5.
You sure?
Yeah. And I get a grandma.
What?
I did it.
You're not getting anything. I'm recording you here. So you're embarrass you when you get older.
I'm gonna go home.
What are you gonna do at home?
They broke the spoon. They broke the spoon.
Are you eating this, or I'm gonna get it?
Eat and get it.
Alright. Okay, Mom.
Don't get it.
What?
Don't get my cup.
I'm not gonna get it. I don't eat stuff like this.
Boo-boo.
Hey! No! You do that again, you will be in big trouble. Alright? What's so funny about it? Get your feet off my car.
Oh, Sophie. Oh my God.
Alright, enough. Goodbye. Say bye, everybody.
No.
Enough of
No.
crankiness.
No.
Bye.